What up, YouTube? Kevin with Sean coming at you. So today it's do or die for the Blue Jays in the ALCS, and Sean and I are going downtown to the Bird's Nest, which is at City Hall, to watch the game.
Let's do it.
Let's go Blue Jays. All right. So Sean and I, like I just said, are on our way downtown to the Bird's Nest. We haven't gone down there yet this year, but what it is, they set up a big giant screen in like a very public place, big open place, and they show the road games to all the Jays games there, and everyone gathers. It gives it more like a being at the game atmosphere. Sounds pretty cool. I used to go down to the ACC when the Leafs used to make the playoffs and watch it on the screen there. So if it's anything like that, it's a little bit better than watching it at home. What do you think, asshole?
It's gonna be fucking freezing.
Yes, it is gonna be cold, but it's fucking worth it. Let's go Blue Jays! Alright, so we're on our way downtown. We're not sure if the Bird's Nest is licensed, a liquor license, so we got our flask.
Brought the flask out.
Full of whiskey. Sean's got whiskey and I have Grey Goose. It's fucking cold outside and this is gonna keep our bellies warm. This is it. Yonge-Dundas Square. There's always something going on down here. But it's fucking wicked. Look at it. Friday night. Not bad. Downtown Toronto. Alright.
Our game starts in like 5 minutes. Let's head down to 8th Town Square.
Alright. You heard the man. Game starts in 5 minutes. We better go before we miss first pitch.
The statue's moving and talking.
The statue's moving. Statue man. Foot locker. There's the steak shop.
That's where me and Emily met.
That's where Sean and Emily met, the Stag Shop. Emily was a worker there and Sean was in looking for dildos and Emily pointed him in the right direction.
Did they win?
They haven't started yet. We're on Queen Street right now. City Hall's just down the street from here, so we are almost there. Good stuff. Let's go Blue Jays. Yeah, this is the other side of the Eaton Center, the Queen entrance to the bay. Every year at Christmas we're gonna come down here, but in these windows they have a nice little Christmas displays. It looks like Buddy the Elf came down here and decorated for Christmas. It's awesome. We'll come down here right after the Santa Claus parade and check them out. And there's the big clock tower at night from our intro. So it looks like Big Ben. Old City Hall at night looks beautiful. Almost at new City Hall. I'm excited. Yeah. Welcome to the Bird's Nest. Well, we made it. We arrived. Doesn't look like there's very many people here, so hopefully this. Oh, I spoke too soon. There's the screen. We are there. Catch you guys when we get a little bit closer. Look at the Toronto sign. Awesome. So nice at night. Doesn't look like there's a liquor license though. Get through me by our blast. City Hall. Alright, what was that? The first inning or the second inning?
That was the top of one.
Top of one. So after the top of one, it's still 0-0. I guess that's better than 1-0 Royals, which they haven't had an opportunity to hit yet, so that may be the case soon. Just gorgeous down here at night. I love it. I love it. Maybe it's because I'm not right downtown all the time, or I don't live down here, but I just love it down here at night. So nice. There's the CN Tower poking in between those two buildings. Follow that up. Oh, the lights just went off as soon as I focus in on it. There she is. Should be lit up blue and white tonight. What's going on?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? The Royals just hit a jack in the first inning. 1-0 Kansas City. Boo! And we're all the way back here. Shit, we missed it. That guy's tire is pretty fancy. Blue Jay fan. Awesome.
There you go.
Not bad, not bad. There's a buddy in a chicken suit giving high fives to the cops. I guess that's his rendition of BJ Birdie, our mascot, but he's a Blue Jay, not a chicken. And that's not all. Oh, come on. David Price pitching for us right now. Oh no, Kansas City just put another jack out of the park. 2-0 Kansas City. That is fucking shit. As you can see, no one here is impressed at all. So you guys can stop putting them out of the park anytime and the Jays can start doing it and maybe you'll get a reaction out of us. God damn it. All right.
Yeah, that's not a ground rule double.
The home run's under review right now. It looks like it's going to be a ground roll double. It looks like a fan interfered with the hit, caught the ball, and it didn't actually go over the fence. Let's see if we can get a replay up there. Let's go. Take it back. Take it back. No home run. Come on. I want to hear the crowd. Let's go.
Well, it's a pretty clean ground rule, and it's got to go above the green or in the ballpark, and then have the fence set back there. It's got to, it's got to clear that area as well. So I think it's going to be overall. It's going to be a ground rule double.
Ground roll double. Come on.
Now, if we were playing wiffle ball in Joe's backyard, that would probably be a triple and over the.
That didn't go over. That didn't go over.
Oh, he hit it back. Look.
No, that did not go over.
Fucking Jays fan too, I think.
Nah, Royals, man.
Because of the interference that placed the runner likely at second.
Ground roll double.
Morales ran Bautista back to the wall.
Bullshit. They ruled it a home run. It was clearly not. Fucking bullshit. Alright, we're all the way at the top now looking down. The game's on. People getting interviewed down there. You can see the lights. Crowd starting to get into it. Let's go, Blue Jays. This is the asshole who caught the pitch, or caught the home run ball below the fence line and is now lying about it to the whole world. Dickhead. If we get eliminated tonight, I hope you can't fucking sleep, asshole. Listen to the crowd.
He's standing there like this, saying it wasn't over, but when you watch the replay, he's like this.
Yeah, like this. Motherfucker liar. I hope he dies. I'm joking, I don't want you to die, but I hope you can't sleep tonight, bitch. Yeah! Yeah! Joey Bats! Woo! Yeah, Joey Bats! Home run! Listen to the crowd go! Yeah, Joey Bats! You hear that? The crowd's into it now. Sean predicts Tulo will hit a double right now. Let's see. If he hits the double, we score a run and tie that fucker up. Oh, he's swinging for the fences, people. Swinging for the fences. Stormtroopers are Halo guys down there. Let's see if I can get a good shot of them. It's kind of cool. It's kind of hard to see them, but they have some pretty badass Halo costumes. They're the Halo guys. Sean and I went to find them. We found them. Let's see if they'll get a picture with us and maybe some video vloggage. Let's go. Pretty badass costumes right there. Let's see. That's got to be Halo.
At the end of the top of this fourth inning, Royals batting leading 2-1
Awesome.
on the home runs by.
All right, it's top of the seventh right now. 2 out, nobody on. The Royals are still up. 2-1. It's not looking good for Toronto right now. But we still got 2.5 innings of baseball. We could catch up, but wish it was looking better for us right now. So what's up, you guys? Last night my batteries died while we were downtown at the Bird's Nest. But apparently we didn't miss very much because once we left, it got kind of cold. My batteries died. There was a big rain delay, so we left. By the time we got home, Jays lost 4-3. So we were going home. Guess can't really be too disappointed in our Toronto Blue Jays. It's been 22 years since we made it to the playoffs. We actually made it to the playoffs this year. Made it to the ALCS. So we gotta congratulate the boys. Thank you very much, Toronto Blue Jays, for a great season. You guys played your asses off and really had nothing to complain about. Made it to the end of this video. Hit the subscribe button, like, share, favorite, and Kevin will catch you on the flip side. Peace out.